Just squeeze that whole thing first. Okay, now you can pull.
I feel like I'm about to break something, but I'm not sure. Sorry if I end up breaking something.
Don't break it. It doesn't unscrew. You just pull it up, honey. Pull it up.
I'm trying. That's the thing.
All right, let me get it started for you, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll know what's
Alright,
going
here you
on,
go.
by the way.
Alright, so now it's right, and you should probably get on top. I get on the stool, honey, to do that.
Yeah, I always feel unsafe on this one.
You know what I would do before you get up, honey? Is get down off it and push the stool all the way over to where you're gonna stand. Hi.
Hey. And
Okay. Squeeze as hard as you can. Is it coming out?
it's not like,
You don't have it in the right spot, baby.
yeah, it's like not getting tight or whatever. It's,
On the top. Yep, you got it.
there we go. Why won't it come out? I think I got it.
Okay. Do you feel like it's coming up?
A little, yeah.
It's probably been in there for 50 years, so.
Why can't have you pick something easier?
Now pull up. Just pull up, honey. Don't. All right, I'm gonna take it over for you but you get the general idea. Need help down? Yeah, come on.
Should I remove these from the...
No, leave them right there, and I'll pull them up. All right. But you get the general idea. So just
Yeah.
here you go. Okay, turn it off.